Hello there. Now we will solve the second problem of my child. If the center of a circle is at 4 minus 7 and one end of its diameter is at 10 minus 2, where is the other end of the diameter? So what we are after here is the other end of the diameter given the one end of the diameter and the center of the circle. So if we will plot this in a graphing paper, so that is 4x and minus 7y. So the dot or the center of the circle is here, while the other or the end of the diameter is here, which is 10 and minus 2. So what we are looking for here is the other end of the diameter. So as we know, or the distance between the center of the circle and the end of the diameter is the radius. So if we draw that line, so we want to know the distance of this radius. Alright, so radius is half of the diameter, the distance of the diameter. So if we draw a circle, it is good to use a protractor, but I don't have one now in my house. So if you draw a circle and that's the end, that's the end, the center and this end of the diameter, so we'll follow the end. Okay, so what is being asked here is where is the other end of the diameter? So one end is here, so the other end should be somewhere here, if I have a nice drawing. Anyhow, so it could be here or somewhere here. So anyhow, what is being asked, what we're looking for here is the other end of the diameter. Okay, so how to get that? Since we are studying the Pythagorean theorem says Pythagorean theorem is c squared, which is the hypotenuse, a squared plus b squared, which are the other legs of the right angled triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. So in this case, I have to look for a right angled triangle. So how can I draw it here? So I can draw that, or I can look for a right angled triangle is by drawing a line here up to the end of this point. Okay, so now I have a right triangle, correct? If I will use the ruler, this is my right triangle. Okay, by doing that I can solve what is R, and from here I know the distance. Let's call this as A. I'll call it as B. So if you want to solve that, what is A? A is, I count the number of lines. So from here it starts from -2 up to 7. That is 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is 5. Okay. B is from that point up to that point, which starts from 4 up to 10. So B is 6. Okay. So from here I can solve the C squared equals A is 5 plus B is 6 squared. So it will be 25 plus 36 equals 61. So C equals square root of 61. Okay. So C, which is the R, is square root of 61. Okay, I know that. Good. I solved this, the value of this distance. So what is it for me? Okay, now I know the other end, or which is the the question, or what we're trying to solve here is the other end of the diameter. So how can we do that? Now we've been trying Pythagorean theorem is based on square. So my trick here is I want to find a square. So given from the triangle, I could find a square. Actually, not a square. I'm sorry. Find a box. So if I will draw a box, it will be like this. Okay, so that was my first box. Why did I say first box? What I want to do is, I'll show you. I fill up the circle with boxes. So how many boxes of this area I can put inside the circle? So imagine it is 4. Okay, so I'll extend this box, draw the same area. I know that is 5, so I'll count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is 6. I'll just extend this up to here. So this is the second box, and then I fill up another 2 boxes with same distances. So this is B is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here is the same. Okay, let me let us now draw the box. So why did I do that? So the idea here is I have 4 boxes, and I know all the distance of the boxes, their legs, including the hypotenuse, are the same. See, this should be the same distance, and this should be the same distance. So by doing that, I know now where is the other end of the diameter. See, alright, so the other end of the diameter, let's count it now. Other end of the diameter, let's count it because this is the other end of the diameter. So x will be negative, this is -1, -2, and y is, we know that is -7, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, -12. So this n is negative 2 of x and negative 12 of y. That's the way I did it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.